Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to make HBO Max full screen on your smart TV or on your TV. So in this video, I will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. Before we get started, subscribe down below and let's get started. So as you can see, why are there black bars around the video? So some HBO Max shows and movies may have black bars or letterboxing along the edges of the video. Now, black bars are used when the aspect ratio that a movie or a show was filmed in does not match the aspect ratio of your screen. Now, obviously, what you can do here is you can't manually adjust the aspect ratio on HBO Max, so you will need to go and you will need to do something else with your smart TV. So, how can you go and basically do that? So if you're playing HBO Max on your computer or tablet or laptop, what you can do is you can make it full screen by connecting it to your TV via HDMI cable. Now, for most of you that are watching, you want to know how to do this on your smart TV. As you can see, you have a couple of things that you can do. Obviously, you can change the TV resolution. If you're trying to play 1080p content on your 4K smart TV and it's playing on a small screen, then you need to know how to make HBO Max full screen on TV. Remember, if you're using a 1080p smart TV, then this trick of full screen is not for you because you will not be able to change this screen on 4K. Right? So you will need to go and change the TV resolution and see how that is playing out for you on HBO Max. You can also change the aspect ratio of smart TV. You can go to the settings tab, aspect ratio, and change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and 4:3. This works well for most people. But again, you can do that. You can obviously change the display settings. This is on your computer if you're doing this on your computer. But overall, that's pretty much what you can do. If that does not, make your HBO Max full screen, then obviously you cannot do much, unfortunately. So this is pretty much it. This is how to make HBO Max full screen on smart TV. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.